Welcome everyone to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin with showing you around the exterior of the car. I'm also going to talk to you about the major talking points and features of both interior and exterior on this stunning 420D M Sport Gran Coupe. Presented in Estral Blue, alongside we've added a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car. And of course, included in that is these striking 20-inch Mperformance style alloy wheels. Sitting behind there, you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes. Of course, that includes a full M Sport Plus package on the car. It's a 2017 67 reg. Also includes the facelift, as you can see there by the facelifted front lights. Down the side of the car, you'll see the gloss black air breathers, along with our satin side vinyls, gloss black sidebars, and the YNC Mperformance decals. Again, thanks to the M Sport Plus package, you do also get the sun protection glazing on the rear windows. And we'll move on now and I'll show you around the very nice contrasting interior, where we have got the Oyster Dakota leather on this car, which comes with both heated and the electric lumbar options, as you can see there. And again, that follows through onto the dashboard, which looks really great set against this exterior colour. In terms of other options, we've got the Harman Kardon surround sound, again thanks to that Plus package, along with that superb 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. Moving on to the rear, of course you have a Isofix 3-seat rear bench, a centre folding armrest, and again a nice contrast between that and the interior colour is this darkened M Sport headlining, of course. Before we head to the very back of the car, there you can see those brand new alloys once again, and those very nice M Sport Plus brakes. At the back, BMW introduced these stunning LED rear lights, which again really do sharpen up the back of the 4 Series very nicely. We've added a gloss rear diffuser and matching rear spoiler. The car has a rear-facing reversing camera, which of course I'm going to show you very shortly. Humongous boot space on the Gran Coupe variant of the 4 Series, and this can be made even larger by taking out both the lower and top partial shelves, along with split folding seats. At the other side of the car, again, you'll be able to see that the Estral Blue works extremely well with all of the additions made here at Your Next Car, along with this one being in extremely good condition. And I'll give you one last look at the wheels before I take a seat inside the car to, of course, run yourselves through a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail. Starting with a big one, then this vehicle comes with the intelligent safety package, and I'm going to run you through what that means in just a second. So just in front of my right knee, there is 2 buttons. If I activate there you can see we've got the collision warning and the pedestrian alert. So using sensors at the front of the car and just behind the rear view mirror, the car can sense oncoming accidents should the driver not be paying quite enough attention, or in case it deems that there is going to be an oncoming accident, it can take action should the driver not do so in time using the brakes. We've also got the lane departure warning, again a fantastic safety system. If you stray out of lane without indicating, again the car can take action as it sees fit, of course should the driving aids be turned on. Back to the professional wide navigation itself, we've also got the Connected Drive Plus. This gives you access to online search, news and weather apps, all powered via Google and all utilising the car's own onboard network, so it does not use any of your own data. There you can see the fantastic navigation screen, which utilises real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. We've of course got Bluetooth telephone and of course audio, along with a wide array of other multimedia inputs such as DAB, USB and music collection. Down here we find the dual climate control with switches for these lovely heated seats. And of course, as I mentioned, it has got that rear-facing reversing camera, which I'm going to demonstrate for you now. And as you can see there, they come with front and rear parking sensors, of course. And if I just pop that back into park to stop it beeping away at us, over here you'll see that cars cover just over 59,000 miles. And if we go into my vehicle and vehicle status, you can see there that everything is highlighted in green, and the next service isn't due for 17,000 miles. And we have got full BMW service history with this car, as well as it being a tremendously high spec 420D M Sport Gran Coupe in a superbly nice colour combination. So thank you for taking the time to watch the video. I do hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. Of course, for further information, look down in the description, you'll find a link to our website alongside direct contact details from us here at Your Next Car. Once again, I'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch this walk around video, and hopefully we'll see yourselves very soon. Do of course take care and goodbye.